Hello there, welcome to our channel once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Venmo account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, first on your computer, open up your preferred browser. For me, it will be Google Chrome, as you can see. And on the search bar over here on the top of your browser, click there and type in venmo.com. You can see the login option available over here on the top right corner of your desktop. Click there, and after that you will be required to enter your email or mobile or username over here, and over here your password. And you can click here to sign into your Venmo account. And if you have forgotten your password, click over here to recover your password to a certain procedure. And if you have not already created a Venmo account, I recommend you create a Venmo account by clicking over here on sign up. It's very easy to use. And the guys, logging into Venmo account is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.